We will now wrap a king mattress that will be moved to a storage unit. It will be wrapped with multi-layered paper pad and shrink wrap. First we position the pads. We use packing tape to keep it in place. Now we apply the shrink wrap. The shrink wrap is better to protect the mattress. It gives way better grip than the regular plastic covers sold for mattresses. Plastic mattress covers tear easily, get open and have bad grip. Now we do the same procedure on the other end of the mattress. First the pads and then the shrink wrap. There we go, spinning all around the mattress until it's completely covered. We move the mattress out of the room and sit it on a special dolly to go to the moving truck. Now it's time to wrap the box spring. We position the paper pad on the end of the box spring that will be on the storage floor. It's time to wrap the second box spring. That is it. God bless America.